Hello YouTube. Welcome back to another episode. In this video we're going to be doing the A-Team van update. So let's get over to the workbench and see what we have. Here's a look at the engine assembly. You know, everything's in black. I had a GMC Vandura work van back in the day and it had a black engine. So that's just the way I'm going to leave it. Yeah, this is a kind of a mix between a hybrid of a curbside kit as well as a regular kit, seeing that the hood doesn't open. And, you know, the van detail, it's kind of hard to see the engine, from that point. So here we have a look at the wheels and the Mr. T figure of BA driving the van. I had to work with him a little bit to get him to fit in the seat and everything. Look at the bottom of the chassis, minimal detail in there. I'll do some paint detailing, but not right now. It hasn't been done. Look at the rear bumper and the iconic sun visor. And here we go, a look at the body with the red stripe and the roof spoiler attached. Let's see what else we have going on here. Give it a spin around. This is a good look at the windshield that I made for this kit, seeing that it was missing. I used some clear acetate to make that. All right. Another look at the wheels and rims briefly. Front grille assembly, spoiler, and front bumper, all one piece. With the push bar below and the fog lights. A whole bunch of fog lights, I might add. All right, here goes the fender flares and the running boards. Okay, going back to the wheels, they look very similar to another movie car, the General Lee, with its American Vector wheels. A couple more spokes than the Vector series, but yeah, still the same similar style. Took my jelly roll pen and white lined the Goodyear and the tire size measurements. Look at the side stripe there. Another detail that I added to these wheels and tire assembly was I took a drop of silver paint and added it on each wheel to resemble wheel weights. I figured with something this big or tires that big, you would probably need to have some kind of weights on them. Yeah, just add a little more realism to the model once it's complete. Okay, here's again, it's another look at BA Baracus as he sits in the driver's seat. I had to heat him up over a candle. The figure came with the model kit, but I don't know how he was supposed to fit in the seat in the position he was molded in. So I went ahead and just heated him up over the candle and kind of reformed his legs and his arms to fit the steering wheel accordingly. I just did everything slow and steady and got them to exactly where I wanted them. And overall I think it turned out well. A nice detail to this kit, including BA. It's his van and he loves it. So how could you have the A-Team van without having BA? It just wouldn't seem right without him. All right, so try to steady up the camera here. Just looking at the chassis and the stance on it. Look from behind, those high back bucket seats, or captain chair on the passenger side. So that's it for now. We'll see you on the update, for the final reveal. And again, as always, this is Stephen, the Scale Model Car Chief. I want to thank you for watching. Have a safe and blessed day.